Hey yo mga kagala, let's do some HIIT workout for today. First up is the one-arm devil press. Favorite ko talaga itong mga HIIT workouts kasi it somehow combines both stamina and strength training. Next up is sandbag reverse lunges, 4 sets of 6 workouts playing program natin with 45 seconds work and 30 second rest intervals. Next is mountain climbers. As a trentahin challenge sa akin to dahil hilo talaga ako pagkatapos. Next is ball toss, one of the easiest, parang recovery workout lang to. The thing about HIIT program is that it is good for people na gusto mag-lose ng weight without losing too much muscle mass. Next, ilabas mo lahat ng galit mo sa ball slams. Medyo may pagka-intense to kasi kailangan mo laksan yung baksak ng bola. Then, sundan naman natin ang dumbbell deadlift to rows. Kailangan medyo mabigat yung weights para you can also work your back muscles. And then lastly, the deadly jumping burpees. Medyo mababa na yung talon ko dito kasi pagod na talaga ako at saka may back problems din kasi ako Kaya medyo tinatansya ko na yung mga talon ko. But anyway, for 4 sets of these workouts with 45 seconds work and 30 seconds rest intervals, I consumed almost 450 calories in 30 minutes. Pwede na ulit mag-frap sa next gala. Kita-kits so dala ka di Raymond. Bye-bye!